Nessa Sunshine here, and today we're getting into the Colourpop After Hours palette. It's so pretty, into this sultry eye look for fun, for fall drama, for soft glam, for whatever you want, brown eyes, that tutorial. So we're gonna get in up close to the eyes, and I'll just go ahead and talk through the different steps on how to get this look. And if you're wondering what lip combo I am wearing to pair, I will put the details down below. With no further ado, let's get into the tutorial. I'll be using my Lithe Beauty brushes for this tutorial. So with the Essential Blending Brush, I go into the shade Just Dance. Then I'm going to take that brush directly onto the crease, above the crease area of my eyelid, from the midpoint to the outer edge, and I just blend back and forth and create some definition, and I add a little bit more, and I do the same thing to both sides. With my finger, I'm showing you how the blending brush touches my eyelid back and forth in swiper motions so that it just blends that area. Take the crease defining brush into the shade Sittin' Pretty. And with that, I'm going to kind of tap the eyelid in the outer corner, tap, tap, tap with the edge of the brush. So I show you with my finger how I just tap. I tap, 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 tap with the side of the brush at an angle. And then I go ahead and then tap, and then I start to swipe a little bit. And then you can blend however you may need to if you're reenacting this tutorial on yourself. I don't know if that's how you say it, but anyway, yeah, and then I do the same thing to the other side. Now it's time for tight lining. So I get my Pixi Eye Define Waterline pencil, and I tight line, I waterline, I do all the lines, and then I add a little bit to the outer corner on the skin area. And then I take my precision shadow brush into that same Sitting Pretty color, and I blend in swiper motions back and forth all across the lower lid to create a very intense smokiness to the eye. Time for shimmer time with Worst Behavior. Not my favorite name of a shadow, but that's what it is. Take it onto my ring finger, which is the perfect finger to apply anything onto the eyes, and I swipe it across the lid. And then I take a little bit more onto my ring finger, and I take the shimmer back onto the lid. And then I take my pinky and I kind of pat it around very, very gently, and I show you with my fingers and my fingers to show you exactly how I kind of touch my eyelid. So I apply the YSL mascara on the upper and lower lashes. Then I take the Lilly Lashes Cash Synthetic Luxury Lash onto the lash on top of my lashes, so there's lots of lashes, and voila, the final look. So I popped on the lashes. Now these lashes were very long and flared. What I did was I cut them off, and I cut the flare off so it wasn't so dramatic, because this is so dramatic for me. It feels very intense, and like boom, I have eye makeup on. I hope you enjoyed this look with some drama on the eyes, with the After Hours palette to I don't know, go out after hours. I'm gonna go out to church tonight, and that's what I'm doing after hours. So yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye now.